Abby and Aaron Delaney were connected at the head when they were born, the rarest kind of conjoined twins. However, despite the risks involved, their dedicated doctors decided the siblings needed to be separated. Heather and Riley Delaney come from Mooresville, North Carolina. The couple had been friends from childhood and would never have thought they'd end up marrying in 2016. However, they did, and soon after they were ready to start a family. Imagine the delight when Heather discovered she was pregnant in January 2017. However, the couple's joy soon turned to worry. That's because their first ultrasound scan revealed that not only were they expecting twins, but their babies were conjoined. Reliving the moment she learned of her baby's condition, in 2017, Heather wrote on her blog, "This is when my world was turned completely upside down. Something that went from 100% joy turned into almost 100% terror." Subsequent scans revealed that the Delaney twins were joined by the head. Babies with this kind of connection are known as craniopagus joined twins. Accounting for between 2 and 6% of cases, they're extremely rare. Heather and Riley would have to wait until their babies were born to learn the full extent of their daughter's condition. However, 16 weeks into her pregnancy, they got what Heather called a ray of sunshine, when a scan revealed that both their girls each had their own brain. That meant that, in theory, it would be possible for surgeons to separate the Delaney twins. And to give them the best possible chance of survival, their parents decided that the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia could provide the twins with the expert care they required. Consequently, the Delaney twins were born at the hospital's special delivery unit in July 2017. The girls, Abby and Aaron, arrived 10 weeks early and weighed just 2 pounds and 1 ounce each. But despite their tiny size, the babies had a big fight ahead of them. Now that Abby and Aaron had arrived, their surgeons, Dr. Gregory Hewer and Dr. Jesse Taylor, could get to work on their separation. However, the process would require months of planning and preparatory operations. One of the twins' first procedures occurred in October 2017. That's when surgeons cut into the bone joining the girls' skulls and inserted a device that would push them apart. The innovative use of this technique succeeded in separating the skulls by at least 2 centimeters. Over the course of the next few months, Abby and Aaron underwent a number of other operations. In one, they had tissue expanders inserted. These would stretch their skin until there was enough extra to cover the hole that would be left after the separation. In June 2018, the twins were finally ready for their final separation surgery. That's when a team of 30 medical experts gathered to complete the tricky 11-hour procedure. However, thankfully, Abby and Aaron were in safe hands. Doctors at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia had carried out similar separation surgeries 23 other times, more than most hospitals in the world. However, they'd never separated craniopagus conjoined twins as young as Abby and Aaron, who were only 11 months old at the time. Explaining the rationale behind his team wanting to operate as early as possible, in October 2018, Dr. Taylor told Daily Mail, "We know that children heal better and faster the younger they are. Therefore, our goal for Aaron and Abby was separation as soon as possible with minimum number of surgeries." Thankfully, Abby and Aaron's surgery went to plan. Following their operation, they went to the pediatric intensive care unit before moving to other wards to receive further therapy treatments. Experts from all kinds of medical fields closely monitored their progress to ensure that they not only recovered, but also thrived. A month after their separation, the girls celebrated their first birthday. And thanks to their amazing story, they received over 300 cards from well-wishers all over the globe. However, Abby and Aaron's journey to recovery didn't end there. As the twins grow older, they'll require further operations to replace missing areas of bone. They'll also undergo procedures to fix their hairlines and reduce scarring. However, after spending more than a year in hospital, their parents' priority was to get their girls home to North Carolina. So by February 2019, both girls were living with their parents in a brand new home. They still have to travel to Philadelphia for checkups every so often, but for the most part, they're free to get on with their recovery. Now their parents are looking forward to watching Abby and Aaron grow. "The girls are inspiring," Heather told Daily Mail. "As their parents, it's very neat for Riley and me to have a front row seat to this and watch them overcome these incredible obstacles. We cannot wait to see what their future holds."